Yan. Hello, hello. Good morning. Yan pala. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good afternoon and good evening wherever you are watching from. Thank you for being with us on my Chica Show for Business today. This is the place where we sit down, relax, and talk about real stories of people who embrace change and discovered new opportunities through the digital world. I am Mercy, originally from the Philippines, migrated to Germany after getting married. I'm a dressmaker, but I embrace change, and now I am an online business owner. Today, I am very excited because I have a very special guest, my amazing business partner from the Philippines. She's a mom, a former OFW, and a proud online business owner. She is one of the women who decided to embrace change, build something of her own, and create more time and freedom for her family. So let's her and how this digital business changed her life. So let's welcome Lori on our Chica Show for Business. Hello, Lori.
Hel hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat ng nanonood and manonood ng replay later. Hi, Mercy. Thank you and super, super excited and grateful to be here. Maraming salamat sa invite.
Thank you. How are you today, Lori?
I'm great. I'm doing great.
That's fine. That's good to hear. So, can you please tell us a little about yourself and what life was like when you were working abroad as an OFW?
Sure. I work in Singapore for 15 years. My last
Mm-hmm.
company was a bank in Singapore. So living in Singapore was very comfortable compared to UK na hindi masyadong innovative. Although may privacy sa UK kasi kami lang yung nasa bahay. Unlike sa Singapore, sharing the house with other people.
Mm-hmm.
So, and super safe sa Singapore. So, you can go to market, or shopping or maglalakad ka lang or public transport. And the best ang public transport sa Singapore. Pero comparing to London or sa Wales, need mo ng sasakyan. Tapos lagi pang walang train sa London, di ba? Tapos sa Wales naman, if kailangan mo na sasakyan to go to the market. Kung magbabas ka, it's 1 hour interval. So, ang hirap din, di ba? Pero, working in Singapore was miserable for me ha. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
yung field ko is customer service. So, especially sa bank, medyo mahirap maghawak ng pera ng tao. So, kailangan very cautious ka. So, gusto kong tumira sa Singapore, but working there, ayoko. So, I was grateful of the work that I have there kasi nakatulong naman yun talaga sa education ng mga anak ko, syempre with the help of the father din.
Mm-hmm.
And grateful ako sa work ko doon kasi nabuhay namin yung mga bata at saka yung pag-aaral doon, yung school fee, hindi siya
Mm-hmm.
biro. Super expensive for foreigners. Pero yung depression and anxiety na dinanas ko sa work ko, sa stress, that was something I really regret. So, kasi akala ko lang noon kasi wala akong choice. So, that's it for me, sis.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pamaiyak ka.
Yeah. Okay, financially you are well off there because you have a good salary, but kapalit naman nun yung health mo, emotionally mo, ano? Kasi
Yes,
it's not biro
I
mag-work ng full-time doon, eh.
oo, yung last work ko, kailangan ko ng therapist, kailangan ko ng counseling. So, I went for 6 times counseling because of mental stress.
Uy, grabe ano.
Super.
Mm.
Mm.
So, buti na lang nag-decide ka na mag-change ng something, 'no? So, ngayon, what did you what made you decide to start this online business?
Actually, nakita ko yung ads when I was in Wales, nung nasa UK ako. Nakita ko yung ads
Hmm.
nung mentor ko, si Mimi. She's a nurse from London. And then I
Mhm.
resonated with her story. Stuck siya, tired. She wants financial freedom. She wants time freedom. So, ni-check ko and then I did my due diligence. And I know it's God's divine intervention. So, ito na yung answered prayers namin ng mama ko kasi every Sunday and Wednesday lagi kaming nasa church, sa Penali
Mm.
Church saka sa St. Mary's Church. And
Mm.
then I started because of my big why para sa mga anak ko to give a better future for my kids and also prepare for my mom's retirement and also yung retirement ko. And also magkaroon ng charity for the sick children na alam ko being an OFW, mahirap ko siyang matupad. But through this business, alam ko na matutupad ko yung dream ko na yon. Yun,
Wow, love
salamat sis.
it, love it, love it. You really embraced change and took that bold steps. Now, can you imagine yung masasakop ba ng business na ito? Retirement ng mama mo, retirement mo, security ng mga anak mo for the future. Tapos mag-iiwan ka pa ng legacy sa kanila, di ba? Wow, ganda.
Yes.
Yes,
Oo.
that's amazing. So, before we wrap up, what message would you like to share with other OFW or moms who might be afraid to start something new?
For mga OFWs and moms and mga dads na rin na watching itong live na ito or sa mga retirees or sa mga nag-retire na or sa mga taong gustong magbago yung buhay nila, just face your fears and overcome them. Don't wait until you're ready. Start even when you are scared. Kasi if you dream of time freedom, of being with your family, especially yung mga OFWs na naiwan yung family nila back in the Philippines, di ba? And building a better future, kung gusto nyong makakilala ng mga amazing na at inspiring people or matuto ng digital marketing at the same time self-growth, this business can be your chance. So just take the first step. Register dun sa website namin. Andyan sa screen, makikita niyo yung website namin ni Mercy. And just write in your name, fill out your name and email address. And padala namin kayo ng info session, link for the free info session. So nandito kami showing our faces, ako si Mercy, and other community members will help you to get started. Kasi being an OFW, it will not give you all the freedom in all aspects. 'Di ba? Time freedom, financial freedom. So ngayon pa lang habang may work kayo, habang malakas kayo, may time pa, mag-start na kayo ng other source of income kasi mahirap yung isa lang yung inaasahan yung trabaho. So being an OFW, hindi siya forever. So pwede tayo magkasakit or mawalan ng work or 'di ba, bigla na lang ma-retrench or whatever kung ano mang mga inevitable na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay, 'di ba? So kailangan ngayon pa lang mag-ano na tayo, mag-invest na tayo for other source of income, mag-plant na tayo para in the future meron tayong aanihin. So yun, wag tayong matakot. Yun yung
Wow.
yun yung pinaka-message.
Thank you, thank you. Oo nga kasi alam mo ako rin ang tagal ko na rin nandito sa abroad, parang umuwi kami ng Pilipinas tapos bumalik na naman ako. Pero kahit anong trabaho mo, bigay mo na lahat na strength mo dun sa work mo, paycheck pa rin eh. Pagtanggap mo ng sweldo mo, kulang pa din. O wala ka pang time sa pamilya, sa sarili mo, kinukulang lagi. Kaya talagang kahit sa akin, it's a big steps for me ba na mag-jump from corporate job pagkatapos dito sa online business. Grabe. Kasi wala talaga, parang tatanda ka na lang, wala ka pa rin walang naipon, wala kang pag ang retirement mo, wala rin. Pag mag-retire tayo siguro ang liit-liit siguro ng retirement na makukuha ko dito kasi hindi naman ako nagtrabaho ng gano'n kataas na panahon. Oo nga, magre-retire tayo, may konti tayong retirement pero yung gastos natin hindi bumababa. Tumataas yung edad natin, nagre-retire tayo, pero yung magastusin natin, mas tumataas pa siya. Kaya hindi siya makakover talaga sa mga pension natin. Kaya
Yes.
sa online business, sige.
And idagdag ko lang kasi I'm here in the Philippines for good nung May
Mm.
2025 and sobra grabe, kada hinga mo dito may bayad.
Gano'n.
Okay, oo. Parang ilang months pa lang ako dito pero ilang thousands na yung nagastos ko.
Oh,
As
grabe
in,
'no?
hindi
Mm.
sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin comparing yung mga like soaps, shampoos, yung presyo dito
Mm.
same lang din sa Singapore and kung nag-earn ka ng peso lang, medyo
Mm.
mahal talaga siya.
Mm.
Yeah.
Somebody is watching us, LV from Nuremberg. Thank you so much.
Hello, LV. Thank
Yeah.
you for watching.
Mm. So it was so beautiful message of you, Lori. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. So to everyone
Thank
watching,
you.
remember, it is never too late to start something new and create a life you truly deserve. So thank you so much for watching my episode of Chica Show for Business today. See you next time and uh, good afternoon and good evening wherever you are
Bye.
coming from. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.